Hello guys, again, our first impression on Matter demo. Just load the game and loads straight in the game, in this one.
Finally, all the dangers are over. Come to the monolith and make your choice.
Alright. Dark, oh, it is something. I think it's like it's not turning light. I think it's like a little bit glitching where the other is, like in the dark or is what? Okay, I should go to this one. And this big game is the 42 gigabyte demo. So it is large one. And oh, radiation. Is this like how radiation is?
It seems like the monolith is waiting for us.
Yeah. Now I know this is not real.
All who reach the shelter are entangled. You can choose any physical body you see here. Every one of them is a version of you.
Good girls, strong guys. This one is good. Let's just pick one. This does irrelevant because it's third person.
Welcome to the shelter, a stable space-time pocket in the endless multiverse. Home sweet home. This place was built by you, your variants to be exact. As was the agency. As was I. Thank you for that, by the way. Before becoming a full-fledged operative of the agency, each variant undergoes a check for basic competence and loyalty.
Whoa!
Wow, a real backwater of the multiverse. By the way, I'm Miss Second, your voice assistant. I'm constantly told that I don't have to announce incoming mail, but it's my favorite part of the job. The agent you need to find is somewhere nearby. Don't be alarmed. In the event of death, your body will be replicated in the shelter.
This one just gave me goosebumps. Was a little bit. First impression was good. In Steam, when his images, it was all those tanks, all those cars, and I had high hopes. And then it was loaded in this first level. It was kinda empty. And it was a bit disappointing. And then those doors, and then into this room. Okay. But now, just how fast loads into this big world. Hey, I have only knife. Die. Oh, what kind of soldier I am?
We almost succeeded. It's good that we can try again.
I'm supposed to just stab this. Oh, everything. It's a couch, it's food, old ass phone. What time it is? I wonder. But how it loads it's very cool. This one is firm. But it's like we are at some computer. We're not entering, then we're not doing anything. We just press a button and then bam. Maybe it's logical. I don't know. Maybe. What's that? Like invisible wall. Wonder. So I am with the knife. I wonder if I'm not gonna be change that guy with the gun and knife. Oh, this have this have a gun. A gun. AK-47. I hope I am ammo. Don't. Oh, shit. Just move last second. That sound, I was thinking like a helicopter coming. And this guy is still moving. I'm not understand anything. Like, is this yeah, victim stuff. Yeah. How I suppose? Oh yeah, this is yeah. Everything like very clear. Victims nearby. Can I pick it up? Where's your gun? Just lost his gun. And this like a.
Use first aid kits to treat wounds. Ignoring damage is a common cause of mission failures. Oh, the look on your face. Shock, awe, a pinch of panic. Getting a new variant up to speed is always so exciting.
Where is that
They all
joint?
needed a moment to process it all. Even Caroline.
Oh.
And you're already doing better than her.
Seriously? Oh, not enough volume. Yeah, I just wanna say my thought. This one's like this times as this one. I really always remember the game Crisis, like big game. Like a big game. This one's just smells like it. This one's like you wanna be like a turn yourself invisible in stealth mode, just stealthy. And I'm amazed how well this game works. On my own machine, it's just I have 100 FPS. We're on a climb. Graphics looks amazing, but FPS is just skyrocket. Okay. So yeah, I just enjoy myself, and let's see. Yeah, this was realistic. It was cool. This is Crisis suit. Game memory card. Coming with a backpack. Enough. What the? The rookie pouches.
Cooperation with the agency provides many resources and privileges. Refusing cooperation, on the other hand, well, you're looking at the result. Take the access card from the body and bring it to the extraction portal. This card contains the intel gathered by the operative and serves as the access key to the electronic locks in this area. Use it to go further.
Where is this guy at? Okay, so yeah, I think I should be done here. And I have to go back. Or go somewhere. If hold push, those doors are locked. Now I should just press M. This looks like a man. And endeavor this like a life meter is, and man standing. I think my life is indicator here. Could be just minimalistic map. Just where or compass where I have to go. Whoa! Whoa! I just jumped that high. Good shadow. Yeah, could be a minimalistic compass. It will be nice. Oh, that high. Just. Oh, I wasn't thinking that. Was it that high? Come on. I think the soldiers just jumping all to this way all the time. Girls. Always whining. Was that money? Money? Wasn't you the one that take up money? Yeah, let's just press some. I came from this way. And yeah, I have an idea. I'm not. If this green thing is my exit, I'm going the wrong way. The world looks amazing. Amazing. Usually I just tell them like trying to guess is this engine is like a Unity or Unreal. I'm not trying to guess. It really feels like it's Unreal Engine, but I can be wrong. Okay, where's this exit? In this way. In this way, my exit and not going from here. And doors. Maybe I just don't not use it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. I'm not using this one. Yeah. Everything's. Mine F, huh? It's like it really feels like that. I feel like in Inception or something. Yeah, and now yes. And now let's go back. Bam. Wow. That's really cool.
You have found a gravity anomaly. Most anomalies are extremely dangerous. However, some of them can be used for getting to the hard-to-reach areas.
I wonder why it doesn't press the heal ample. I'm still need to use it. I wonder why no one's just this time just thought like this game. But yeah, nice one.
Stop! Traps ahead. A gravity trap is triggered by approaching, shooting, or throwing a stone.
Press through something. Nothing. Oh.
Congratulations, you have found active matter. It forms in collapsing timelines, accelerating their demise. But it is also the only material that can restore the multiverse. Your task is to collect it and bring it to the shelter through an extraction portal in order to receive a generous compensation. With its help, Agency strives to synthesize a resilient timeline, one that survives AM surges and resists collapse.
She just said multiverse. I have bad experience with multiverses because I was like a fan. Yeah, that's where we're spinning. I really like that movie, Marvel's Spider-Man's, Iron Man. But latest movie where those like superhero girls.
I think we're almost there. This is the extraction portal. To return to your shelter, approach and activate it. Stay nearby and remain alert. To die a second before extraction and lose everything you gathered in the raid would be frustrating.
Just ruining my whole experience.
Thank you for returning the memory card. The lawyers reported that the content is not of significant value, but your diligence and persistence during your search deserve the highest praise. Use the raid terminal to report on the completion of your mission. You should know what kind of bureaucrats they are. Sign this, send that, in triplicate, please. You feel like a lab rat.
This like computer voice have attitude. Yeah, maybe this one will be better experience with multiverse, because Marvel just effed all up, like most up. Like a latest movie is like bad. I don't know, just like created by AI. And I watched Superman movie latest. I was exciting. And when just saw this dog always speaking or something, just in the beginning, right at the second, I just was so effing disappointed. And I knew more was about. It was very painful to just continue just watch the movie. Nexus battles not currently available. So what? Yeah, memory card, report.
Now you are officially a part of the agency. The shelter is yours. Some of its systems and functions are still locked. To activate them, you'll need to raise your access level. Unlock the first level right now by using the Monolith Access Terminal.
Bye.
Only the best operatives will achieve the highest access level, allowing them to reach the monolith and make their choice. Go on raids, complete contracts, gather active matter, and you'll climb the career ladder quickly. I've heard that the reward is worth it. Access to superior equipment, shelter upgrades, and even sometimes a steak. It tastes almost like the real thing.
Oh, this is like a missions. All we can do overview. What can expect? And every things looked wrecked. This one's alright. This one's kinda, but there's like, see, right? This looks beautiful. This is wreckage. Alrightish. Looks beautiful, but all the world is wrecked. Yeah, this is like idea. What can game will be about? Okay. Anyway, I don't know really what to do. Yes, I wanna if I continue. Leave queue. Deploy. I wanna continue. FU. How to enter this? What the purpose? Like I continue, but I'm just getting back into this. Yeah, leave this. Just wanna enter to some other level. One more time. Locating zone. Start. 5. Waiting for transfer. Oh, this is like a loading. Maybe. Loading-ish. It's not. I was thinking like we could just jump a walls like in the first time. But nah. This is like a loading phase. Anyway, my thoughts. It's really a cool game. Very cool game. Those ones you will be exciting to play. Just a little bit, not lives, not like not beating other humans. Something a little bit dry in that kind of sense. But maybe just along the way will be something. It will be nice. Will be meet some other people because it will be like some more intrigue, like a story, something. But yeah. Anyway,
Remember to
this
salt your meat.
intrigue. Really? Yes. Now I think did I just jump the time? Like with the old. Yeah, I just jumped the time. Oh man, I just in love with this game. I can jump the times, and if will be just like major events, like major battles, it will be so effing cool. Yeah, this game is cool. All right, it just needs a little bit live, just a little bit like speaking with the people, what I'm doing, like something. I just came in the empty worlds, but if this like in the first try and first game, maybe we get second game, this alpha matter like a 2, it will be like engage with the people in lively, it will be much nicer, but it's like part to second game. All right, I'm finished with this one. Comment your thoughts, guys, like and subscribe, and see you next amazing game. I'm not thinking it will be that much amazing game like this one, but pretty close, and I hope. And yeah, like, subscribe, and see you.
I tend to subscribe to
this policy.
Do it.
Now, did you do it?
You know what I'm saying? Huh? Huh? Stop it.
I'd like to thank you.